Alright, it is super windy out, but that's not going to stop us from getting to the HHR. As you can tell, one of these taillights is broken, so I ordered ICPW taillight kit. Let's check it out. One of my trash cans just blew over. I mean, it is like very windy out. It's crazy. Yeah, I already opened these because I was super excited for them, so didn't wait on you guys. Are you kidding me? So, here we go. Obviously, there's plastic around them, but these things are heat. Absolutely fire. Plug and play, and they ran me about 200 bucks. A little expensive. I wasn't really planning on that happening, but whatever. I was planning on getting these eventually, but I did not think it would take like years. But finally, the car wash did that one in, and I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. I've been wanting these for a while. So yeah, let's get to it. Start throwing them in. Just had to clean out the trunk, but basically it was just this panel, pry up, get to it, right? And then it's just 3 10 mils on each bulb or each tail light housing. Pop the bulb out first, right? And then it's pretty straightforward from there. Ooh, I already got an LED in this one. I remember doing that actually. Pretty straightforward stuff. Got 3 bolts, 3 studs with 3 nuts on them. Nothing crazy. Same with the bottom one. Let's see if you can see that. My neighbor's dog just like barked at me because I kind of scared him. So, but he scared me too. So we're even. Definitely hard to do with one hand, but it's out. Okay. So this is the bottom one. Now that we got one side out, let's go ahead and throw in the one side of the ICPWs, just so we can kind of compare. Dude, these are so sick. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oof. So nice. On the red, it's about to be fire. All right. So, man, the wind is picking up. It's crazy. So, we'll just feed it in from the front. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, I'm just going to clean off around here with some cleaner and just get some dirt that's been over there for the years. So if you watch the channel, you know this car sat for a while. So any chance I get the opportunity to clean up some spots where the grime sat, I always do. Okay, so you need your bulb connectors. It was just easier when I was undoing it to just unplug these, but you actually need to take your bulb out because the plug and play portion of this goes into there on all lights, all of these lights. So perfect. Let's go ahead and throw these on. Need your plastic piece still to put on the back side. So this is left top. Add this in there. There's a certain way these go, so it's kind of a pain, but dude, this wind is literally crazy. So on the top one, you have to pull this wire connector down because it actually plugs into your second light to carry the voltage over. Pretty straightforward. You'll know the connector when you see it. Obviously, it's got to plug into that, so it's got to be relatively like the same plug, female to male. And then this is for the bottom light, your reverse light. It's pretty easy, right? Plug and play. All right, now that those all finger tight, so you take this top wire from the top LED and the bottom one from the bottom and literally just boom, together. That easy. Then we're gonna plug in the reverse light socket like this. Boom, that easy. Reverse light plugged in. Now we gotta find the OEM harness for the reverse light right here and plug her in. Just like that. Boom! One side done. Obviously put the panel on. We're gonna test it out before we do that. That looks fire. I think these come on when I, oh, let's go. All right, now I'm just gonna knock out this other side. Nothing crazy to commentate or anything like that, just gonna throw it in. All right, we're done installing these. These things were super easy to install. 10 out of 10, they look good, they work. And I will come back right now with a nighttime clip. Gotta get a video of what it looks like at night. Let's go. Those are so sick. I'm gonna go clean up my yard because this wind literally trashed it. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.